I'm Carol, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add an asset on the Infraspeak platform. Before you can add an asset, you must have defined its location and category beforehand. Once you have chosen the category, the asset will automatically get the previously defined equipment type, such as features, policy, tasks, interventions. Note, provide a different code for each asset that belongs to the same equipment category or type so that you are able to differentiate them. So let's get started. If you head on over to the side menu and you click on the Assets tab, you will have on the left-hand corner the option where it says Add Create Assets. So we're going to click to create a new asset. We're going to select the location of our asset. So let's say it's in the Smart Hotel. And we're going to choose the ground floor, the technical area, and I'm going to click next once I've chosen my asset's location. And now I'm going to indicate which is my asset's category, so where it belongs. So I am going to add in a chiller today. So it belongs to the HVAC family. And here we go. We have the chiller category already set up. So I've selected my chiller and I'm going to click on next and move forward. I'm now able to assign or define an asset code. Okay, and that's done here. So we can add or edit that here. We can also define a maintenance policy if necessary. We also have a description box if needed, technical information that we can add on, and then any additional information that we would like to add on to our assets. For example, financial data as well. So in the financial data, let me scroll down for you. So if you click on the financial data tab, you will see that here you can add the acquisition date of your asset, the years of amortization, stoppage cost per hour, its residual value, and acquisition cost as well. So you can fill all of these financial data details if you have them, which is great. If not, you can always come back and edit these at any time. Once you are ready to create your asset, you can then go and click on Submit. And you have now successfully added in your asset, as you can see here in our asset log. Brilliant. Thanks for watching.